Hi, and welcome to the second episode of Rapid Rundown, where I deliver the most important news in finance from last week to you in a very rapid fashion. And let's jump right in. And news number one, and the most important one from last week, is the Federal Reserve interest rate cut, because the Federal Reserve, for the first time in 9 months, has cut interest rates, this time by 25 basis points, which brings down the interest rate to 4 to 4.25%. And the Federal Reserve expects two more rate cuts within this year. And Federal Reserve Chief Jerome Powell justified the decision with a cooling labor market. And the second topic for today is that UK government borrowing hits a 5-year high because the borrowing costs for the UK in August of this year were 18 billion pounds, which is the highest for any August in the last 5 years. And this was actually 3.5 billion more than in August 2024 and 5.5 billion pounds more than forecasted in March by the Office for Budget Responsibility. And this borrowing pushed the net debt of the UK to 96.4% of the GDP, which is dangerously high, and we haven't seen these levels for the UK since the 1960s. And the third topic of today is that US President Donald Trump proposed the idea of scratching quarterly earnings reports for companies in favor of semi-annual reports, so basically every half year. And Trump argued that this would save money and let managers focus basically on properly running their companies. And the SEC chairman Paul Atkins confirmed that after Trump pushed for this, the SEC will propose a rule change like this. And the fourth and final topic for today is that China kept lending rates unchanged amid the trade tensions with the US. So basically, the People's Bank of China kept the 1-year loan prime rate unchanged at 3% and the 5-year loan prime rate unchanged at 3.5% this month. And this marks the fourth consecutive time that China has kept rates unchanged. But this also comes, of course, as with the backdrop of trade tensions with the US seeming to be easing. And that's what I had for you today for the rapid rundown. I hope I was able to keep you informed. Let me know down below what other news you thought were interesting. And check out autotolab.com if you're an institutional investor. And otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button and the bell. And thanks for watching.